Hi and welcome to a new vlog. If you like gossip content, then you're at the right place because I'm gonna go in an allocation and I do gossip based content. So I was waiting for Kiwimile to get off from school so that I can show her what I bought for her and also show you guys, of course. And then I don't know if me and Katloch are still gonna do what he said he wanted to do. So I'm just opening up this vlog. Today is a Friday and it's the 28th of Feb. So yeah, let's just get on with this vlog and see where it takes us. So guys, if you didn't know, my aunt, the one that bakes cakes and the one that did my traditional dresses and traditional outfits, that aunt. So I asked her, so she also does accessories, maybe like hats and whatever. So I was like, oh, honey, Gumila has a photo shoot. Go along. So I asked her to do ribbons. Aren't these cute? Aren't these so cute? So she did 2 of these ribbons and Gaia. I hope you guys can see as so. Like, just imagine a photo shoot. So if you guys know that Kiwimile goes to a school that wears brown uniform, so guys, again, I want to show you guys this. Okay, in a so sorry for that. Imagine her 2 ponytails. Like about it in Chavafa. You see, and her brown glasses. Isn't this cute? Isn't this so cute? This is so cute. I love this. How do you like them? Do you like them?
I really like them.
Okay, so this is how Kimili looks, and she looks beautiful. She's going to look coordinated in her uniform. Mabo? Hi and welcome to another day of this vlog. I'm running on 1%. It's still morning and I'm going to save because Kimili doesn't have bread for lunch. So it's a Tuesday morning. It's Tuesday or Wednesday. What day is it today? I don't know, but yeah, I'm going to buy bread and then I am going with Katleho. That side, Kakurva side, Kakwa, the riverside, and we are going. We are going for an adventure. So yeah, we're going for an adventure, and then copyright behind me.
Why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? Why? Keeping me around, tell him that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? Why? Tell him that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way? Why? Keeping me around, tell him that it's human nature. Why? Does he do me that way?
Ke tla le reke ke lo go rekela your school lunch.
Okay.
Okay, so this is what I used for what's this? For the pompous. Yes, this is what I used so that it doesn't shed. As you can see, it was shedding a little bit. Is peeping here, fana, and then yeah. So I'm just gonna let it dry just for 5 minutes and then put it in the house. Say hi and welcome to another day of this vlog. As you can see, I'm with Kiwumile. I don't know if you can see her by the way, and I'm with Katlego. We are just taking a walk. It's currently load shedding and re boregile. O jele breakfast? I ate potatoes. I ate 2 potatoes. Sort of earlier. So yeah, and I wanted to say the other day, yes, we went to go and get pompous. Thanks to Katlego. I got pompous and Kiwanyana collocation. Remember when I said Kiwanyana collocation? I cannot be paying for pompous for King 200 China Mall, whereby I can just get it the opposite. So yeah, remember when I said go on application and you guys said no, you're not going on application, and I said yeah, go on application, and you guys said no. One of the benefits of being on application. So I got my pampers. I'm so happy. I cannot wait to put it in a vase. I'm done prepping it and stuff. The prep is very easy. You just my hand is sore. You just make it dry. You just dry it out, yeah, and then after drying it out, you spray it with any kind of lace glue or any kind of glue that you know that is gonna hold so that it doesn't it doesn't wear off. Not wear off, man. It can say English. English. Yo. Okay, that guys, it doesn't scatter all over the house. That's the best explanation I can give you guys. But there okay, really, so yeah, that's it. So this is it for this week's vlog. I don't think that I'll be vlogging anymore. I think I'll be taking shots because my March is very busy. Gumil is going in for surgery, so I'm prepping for that and everything. So I'll be doing shots from now on, and I'll catch you guys April. Bye.